Hey everybody, a company named Lasfit just sent me some new rubber floor mats for my 2023 Chevy Silverado. Let's unbox them. Huge thanks to Lasfit for sending me these floor mats. And we're gonna jump right into them. I haven't opened it yet. As you can see, it's all in the packaging. So we'll take it all out. Some plastic there, we'll move the box. See what we got. Two front ones right here. All the package. It's all really nicely packaged. These look really nice. Look at that, eh? Way better than the stock ones, I'll tell you that. And here's the driver's side. Looks really good. We got this, which is exactly what I want. Okay, let's check the rear ones out. I believe they're one piece. Holy, look at those suckers. We have a user manual, so we do have installation. The ones I have in here right now, there were some cheap ones on eBay. They are doing the job. They're like ultra heavy duty though. Like I like my trim here, it's covering that up. And it actually hits the bottom of my door, this piece. When I slam my door, it always hits here. So I'm not a huge fan of this piece, although this has been good, but we'll switch these out. And I'm just gonna push down on my tabs. And then take these guys out. There we go. Before we install the Lasfit ones, which are in the middle, these are the stock ones right here. You can see these were just enough to give you a rubber floor mat, but they're not great at all. You don't have your step cover, so it gets covered. I live on a farm, so I need more than this for sure. Now these are the Lasfit ones we're unboxing. These are the perfect ones, I'd say, for still looking good, but being heavy duty. And then you come over here, and these ones are just full on heavy duty. But this piece I'm not a fan of after using it for a while, because again, it hits the doors. And I don't really need that crazy, like crazy heavy duty. But as you can see, the truck's all muddy. So we do take this off-roading and stuff, but these will do the job and look good at the same time. So let's put these in. Okay, so here's the Lasfit. We're gonna slide it in like this. And then find where it sits. Right there. Okay, there we go. A nice middle ground. Looks really good. I like how it wraps around there. But now this will actually not be as annoying for the door, because it's right at the end of the door rather than actually going under the door, which I thought was pretty dumb to go under the door. Fits up good. You got the coverage here. So like the manual said, or like the sticker said, this will sit down over time. Just the packaging. We got our cover here, which is awesome. I'd say that looks pretty good, guys. All right, our Lasfit one's going in. See how they fit up. Right there. Oh, that's a nice fit, guys. Like a glove. Like a glove. That looks, I think I like that better, even more than the heavy duty ones. That just looks better. Like I know it's a clean and dirty, but look at that fit, guys. Lasfit nailing that fit right there, all across. That looks so good. Okay, passenger side super easy, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in. In goes the Lasfit. There you go. Like that. Now this will drop down once it kind of finds its position, because it was in the packaging. That'll drop, I believe. All right, guys, so it's been a month since I've put these in. They've been holding up really well. You can see they're protecting every area that you need it to, and I think they look absolutely stellar. And you can see this corner has dropped down now, like I said there in the video. Yeah, they've been great, guys. So guys, huge thanks to Lasfit for sending me these. Definitely pick these up if you guys are looking for floor mats. These are very good quality, and they look so much cleaner even than my last heavy duty set, as you guys saw there. They don't go under the door, which I like. These are a great purchase, guys. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to check these out and buy them. Click the link and you'll get, I believe, 15% off. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Go check out the mats, check out Lasfit, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.